Hey, it's Nootsie. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to do a calming, unwinding yoga sequence. This is great if you've had a hectic day and you just need to bring some calmness to your heart and mind, or if you want to unwind before going to bed. This is perfect for that. So we're going to start out with a little bit of breath work, and then we're going to move into some yoga sequence and poses, and then we're going to end with Shavasana. So make sure you have some comfies on, and if you end up liking this, I would love it if you would give me a thumbs up and like and subscribe. So let's get started. If you feel more comfortable, you can put your hands down by your side or place them on your legs, and we're going to roll the shoulders down and back, and we're going to lift through the crown of the head. And I just want you to close your eyes for a moment, and let's tune into our heart. And let's just set the intention that we're going to calm the waters of our mind. We're going to calm our heart. And we're going to give ourselves some self-love. So let's just take our hands to prayer and bring our thumbs to our sternum. And let's breathe with our lips closed in and out of our nose for a count of 3. So listening for your breath. Inhale for 3 and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhaling the good air. And exhaling, let it all go. Good. Let's move into tabletop. We're going to do a couple rounds of cat-cow. So knees are hip distance apart, hands tracking under the shoulders. And we're going to start with the toes curled. And I want you to lift up your heart to the sky, opening your heart center, arching the back, rolling the shoulders down and back. And then you're going to release the toes, tucking the tailbone under, pressing through the palms, bringing the chin in, arching like the cat. Good. Now we're going to inhale, curling the toes, opening the heart center. And exhale. Tucking the tailbone. Good. Inhale. Exhale. Let's do a couple more on our own, just finding your rhythm. Last one. And exhale. Now I want you to just jet the rear end towards the left and look over the right shoulder. Good, and take a breath right here. Let's just find a little movement. Let's push it back towards the left on the inhale. Coming a little bit forward on the exhale. Inhale, just a little bit of movement. One more, just like that. Good. Let's bring the rear end towards the right and look over the left shoulder. Breathe right here. All right, let's find that movement. Let's go back towards the right and come forward just a little bit. Loosening up the spine and the hips. Good. A couple more just like that. Last one. Let's do a couple more cat-cow right here. Curling the toes, lifting the heart up to the sky. Releasing the toes, exhaling. Do 2 more on your own. Find your rhythm. And exhale. All right, we're going to push it back. Oh, let's put the toes together and let's go wide with the knees. We're going to go down to child's pose. So bring the elbows down. Let's bring the middle fingers to touch. The arms are in a diamond shape, and bring that head towards the mat. If you can get your head on the mat, let's just roll the forehead to the right and left, releasing all of the tension out of the forehead, relaxing the jaw. All right, now I want you to concentrate breathing in and out of the back body, expanding the back body and exhaling. 2 more right here. Now let's just walk our hands over to the right. You can put your left hand on top. Feeling that opening of the side body. Inhale. And exhale. 1 more. Good. Walking the hands over to the other side. Put the right arm on top. Breathing into the side body. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. All right, walk the hands back to center. I want you to press through the palms and gently press up. Now pivot your hips to the side and bring those feet in front of you. I want you to put your hands behind you, and then you're just going to slide your rear end down. We're going to go all the way back, laying back down. Good. Now I want you to just extend your feet, have them wider than hip distance apart, and we're going to take those hands over the head. We're going to really stretch it up. Good. And inhale. And exhale. Again, just like that. Inhale. And exhale. All right, bring your hands back down to the side. Now we're going to bring the right knee into the chest, pulling it in. You can grab the shin or the knee. And let's just point and flex our toe here. Allowing those legs to relax. Good. Now take your left hand on the outside of the right knee and cross it over the body and look towards the right. And let's just take some slow, soothing breaths right here. Inhale and exhale. Giving the spine some love. A nice twist and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Coming back through center. Grabbing a hold of the shin or the knee and just pulling the nose in. Let's take a breath right here. Inhale and exhale. All right, releasing that knee. Let's pull the left knee in, grabbing the knee or the shin. And let's just give some pointing and some flexing, relaxing the calf, the leg, showing the leg some love. Good. Now I want you to put your right hand on the outside of the knee, bringing the left arm out, looking towards the left. And let's take some breaths right here, in and out of our nose, giving our spine some love. All right, releasing. Let's just bring both knees into the chest. And I just want you to roll a little bit to the right and to the left. It's just a very subtle, slow movement, massaging the lower back. Thanking our body for its service to us. Good. Finding some nice movement. All right. Grab the outside of the feet and just pull the feet in. And let those hips open up just a little bit. Let's take a breath right here. Inhale. And exhale. Now we're going to open up the right leg on the inhale. And exhale, bringing it in. It's okay if you have a deep bend in your knee, just opening the left. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Good job. Inhale. And exhale. Again, inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. So right here in Happy Baby, let's find that movement again, just rolling gently to the right and to the left, massaging the lower back. Good. All right, releasing the feet, bringing the soles of the feet together, bringing the hands up to goalpost or cactus arms. And let's just take a few breaths right here, allowing the hips to open up, feeling the body pressing against the ground. Let's inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Last one, inhale and exhale. All right, straighten out those legs. Have them wider than the mat. Just letting the feet relax. Bringing the arms down with the palms up. And just notice the back body, feeling your heels against the floor, feeling your calves against the ground, feeling your thighs and your buttocks, noticing your lower back, your shoulder blades, the back of your head. Let's just gently roll the head to the right and left, relaxing your jaw, listening for your breath. All right, I want you to put your left hand on your navel and your right hand on your heart. And let's just tune into our heart for a minute. If we listen to the heart will speak. Slowing your heart rate down, calming the mind, listening for the breath, just giving yourself the love you deserve. Inhale and exhale. All right, bringing the hands down, palms up, and just relinquish the control of your breath and just lay here, allowing the body to relax, giving it permission to let go. Stilling the waters of your mind. All right, let's bring our hands to prayer. Let's bring our thumbs to our forehead. And just thank yourself for carving out some time for self-love, for calming the heart and the mind, for unwinding and relaxing the body. Let's all say together, Namaste.